display. With the co-pilot Paul today, sat in the left-hand seat, not only calling out Schmitty's pitch angle, roll angle, his heights and speeds, but also glancing out to the left-hand side, talking him around until Schmitty can see his display line. This year, the Chinook display captain is Flight Lieutenant Matt Smythe, known as Schmitty. Schmitty joined the Air Force in 2007 and has been on the 27 Squadron for the past 10 years. He's a training captain and has been all over the world, including Afghanistan, Mali, the Falklands and across Europe. Back in the UK, he was captain of the National Standby aircraft called to support the crisis at Whaley Bridge in 2019. You'll see the aircraft now running in just above 100 feet, back at 120 knots with the crowd on their right-hand side for the next manoeuvre, the roller coaster. Pitching up to 50 degrees to complete the first nose over. The crew then dive back to their baseline before repeating the manoeuvre for the second time. The challenge for the crew right now is descending on the crowd line while the sort of 50 tons of aircraft is crystal clear. Joining Schmitty in the cockpit today is Flight Lieutenant Paul Heiters, one of our two display co-pilots this season. Paul joined the Air Force in 2010 before converting to the Chinook in 2016. He's deployed to the Falklands, Mali, Offshore to support UK operations. A key drummer and skier whenever he can. The aircraft is now on our right-hand side for a right-hand offset wing over, 30 degrees into the air before rolling right back towards the crowd line. They'll now roll in from the right for a solo nose-over. The manoeuvre is more difficult in this direction and Schmitty can no longer see the crowd line. We'll patch into the radio now and hopefully hear Paul as he directs Schmitty for the next two manoeuvres. And now for another pedal turn where we should still hear Paul. Now. 10, 20, 30, look, turn, now. Right at 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, no more. 450, 400, 350, 300, 250, 200, 180, 160. Good height, good thing. Now back down the crowd line today. Schmitty, now in the opposite direction, has an excellent view of the crowd, so please give them a big wave as he comes past. The display today demonstrates how surprisingly manoeuvrable this large helicopter is. Most of the manoeuvres are born out of real tactical skills employed on office around the world. During these manoeuvres, the co-pilot sides are constantly darting around the cockpit looking at aircraft performance, speed, pitch roll, heights, and relaying them to Schmitty in a constant fashion so he can remain eyes out of the cockpit. He's now broken into a left-hand turn, pointing back at the crowd for one of the coolest manoeuvres in the show, a nose-down quick stop, where you can stop the aircraft on a sixpence, an operational manoeuvre for late-spotted troops on the ground. Schmitty will now fly across cockpit, allowing our crewman, Danny Gilderson, to enjoy the best view in the house. And this is your chance to give him a huge wave as he crosses the display area. He's got the best seat in the house right now. He's got his two Irish hands out. Give him a big wave. Jonas joined the Air Force in 2009 and onto the Chinook in 2016. His 6 years on 27 Squadron, he's deployed the Falklands and Mali multiple times and many exercises around the world. Keen sportsman and squad player has recently done a 15-kilometre swim for charity. The Chinook has been continuously used by the Air Force as a battlefield helicopter for over 40 years, first seeing action at the Falkland Islands in 1982. And supporting the display this year are our exceptional team of engineers led this weekend by Chief Lieutenant Neil Eaton. Without them and their support and hard work, we simply could not put on this display. And the crew left along the crowd, I have a message for Andy from Amy. Andy, Zach, you're in. Again, another good view of the house. He'll give you a big wave as he comes back down. The Gordy corkscrew came from the Chinook 14 trying to hold the crew to protect themselves in all directions before departing the landing sites at the bottom of the steep valley. He's got nose down now and back into his final descent. All 27 and front, extremely proud of the brilliant display this year. We do this alongside our operational frontline deployed commitments and conducting our regular duties, training and tasking throughout the UK. Schmidt's going to point straight to the crowd now, roll out and then do a rapid brake to the left to give you the best sound of the Chinook and hopefully that famous blade slap as he rolls left. At this point we'd like to give a huge shout out to Schmidt's wife Lex, who's in the crowd today, along with Paul's fiancée Hannah, and all of Paul's family who are here watching as well today. Now thank you for the support you show us and the force. Now this year the team are proud to highlight the work of the Royal Air Force Benevolent Front Guard supporting service personnel, veterans and the wider RIAT family. As the crew repositions for their final wing over, Schmidt, you can see into the turn. It's easy as a setup for another cool manoeuvre, a running landing along the ground line. Get your cameras ready as the crew will touch down with the back wheels on the aircraft, a technique used during emergencies or when the aircraft is very heavy, preserving the power of the two engines we have on board. This technique is used, as I said, during emergencies or when very heavy. And after landing, the pilot makes subtle control adjustments. Control the aircraft 20 degrees nose up, allowing the aircraft to run down the runway into its next party train. Really can bring the aircraft to a complete stop on the back wheel and start to glide the aircraft backwards before lifting for its final flight. For those of you on the left-hand side now, give Paul a big wave. He's in the left-hand seat, looking out the window, I'm sure. And you can see the aircraft has just stopped. And this is his party trick. Reversing backwards down the runway. He'll come towards the crowd centre, or the datum as we call it. displays, we love looking through them. The email address you'll find on our social media pages. And now we must say goodbye. It's been an absolute pleasure displaying for you today here at RIAT. Our sincere thanks go to the event organisers, Flight Control Committee, and of course all of you for coming out to watch the display. Take care and remember,